Hi there! In this short video, we will walk you through our virtual recruitment process. We hope you will make the most of this opportunity. You will receive emails and SMS notifications at every stage as you advance in our recruitment process. As we conduct our hiring process virtually this year, we have enabled features such as chat, helpline and guides across all stages of the hiring process to enable quicker query resolutions. Please ensure that you have read and understood all the notifications and FAQs about our process guidelines. Our offering. This year we're excited to offer you two roles. Role at Accenture Technology, Advanced Application Engineering Analyst at Career Level 11. Role at Accenture Strategy and Consulting, Data Engineering Analyst at Career Level 11. You can apply for one of these roles or both the roles based on your interest and aspiration. If you opt for one role, you will be interviewed in one. But if you opt for both the roles, you will be interviewed in both. Here's how our process will work. As a first step, you will receive an email from Accenture with details to register online. Make sure you fill all your details correctly. You must submit any one of your government ID proof such as your PAN card, voter ID, driving license or passport as a mandatory identity proof. Your registration information such as name and date of birth should match your ID proof for us to consider your application. Few important tips while submitting your registration. 1. Ensure your first name is your given name and the last name is your surname. In case you don't have a surname, update it as per your father's or mother's name, according to your government ID proof. 2. Enter your personal contact number and email ID accurately for all future communication. We suggest you submit details which you would continue to use even once you graduate from your respective colleges. 3. Upload your most recent passport-size photograph for identification. Remember, background themes or selfies can lead to identity mismatch. You will be given an option to review and confirm your details before submission. Once submitted, you will not be able to make any changes to your details till our process closure. Eligible candidates will receive a QR-based admit card that will be used for identification during the interview stage of our process. Prepare for the virtual hiring process. All our processes will be conducted virtually. Please ensure that you have the following technical requirements ready to participate in our process without interruptions. Laptop or desktop must be enabled with a webcam and microphone. Webcam should capture the image clearly. Both webcam and microphone must be in switch-on mode across all assessments and interview stages of our process. Your system must have RAM and processor, 4GB plus RAM, i3 5th generation 2.2 GHz or equivalent or higher. Operating system, Windows 8 or 10. Google Chrome browser with latest version 5. Network VPN or proxy should be disabled. Stable internet connection of 2 Mbps plus enabled through broadband connection. Do avoid unstable 3G or 4G networks. For taking the communication assessment, it's highly recommended to use a USB-enabled headset with a microphone or a good quality headset with single jack, 3.5 mm having microphone. Students must avoid using Bluetooth headsets or using on-system speakers and microphone. Remember, don't carry or use any electronic devices such as mobile phones, calculators, smartwatches during your assessment process. If found to violate these guidelines, appropriate action can be taken, leading to even disqualification from our recruitment process. Ready, set, go! Your assessment begins. The first assessment will be the cognitive, technical and coding rounds. You will receive an assessment link with your unique login credential to log into the test. This assessment will be scheduled in 2 stages, which must be completed within the specified time. Stage 1. Cognitive and technical assessments. You will get 90 minutes to complete this assessment. Cognitive assessment includes 50 questions on English ability, analytical reasoning, numerical ability. technical assessment includes 40 questions on Common Application and MS Office, pseudocode, fundamentals of networking, security and cloud. You are required to meet the section and subsection cutoff from each assessment to be considered for further rounds. Upon completion, you will have 5 to 10 minutes relaxed time before the results are notified. Do not close the browser till you are notified on assessment closure. Upon clearing cognitive and technical assessment, you must participate in Stage 2, which is a mandatory coding assessment. Our recruitment process will end here for the students who don't clear threshold determined for cognitive, technical and coding assessment or fail to participate in coding assessment. Coding assessment will have 2 questions which must be solved using any one of the following languages as per your choice: C, C++, .NET, Java, Python. The duration of this assessment will be 45 minutes. As this is an elimination round, you are required to clear the coding assessment cutoff to be able to continue with the rest of the recruitment process. The next round is communication assessment. You will receive a separate email with timelines and login details to participate in this assessment. Communication assessment is a verbal test which will assess you on the below parameters: sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency and pronunciation. The duration of the assessment is approximately 20 minutes. You will now proceed to the last stage of the recruitment process, the interview stage. Before the interview, you will receive a notification to select a preferred slot for participating in your interview discussions. Upon confirming your slot, your interview details will be notified to you via email and SMS. You will be interviewed by 2 panelists from our team. The duration of your interview is approximately 30 minutes. You are expected to be available 30 minutes prior to your confirmed interview slot. Don't forget to carry your admit card for participating during our interview process. Please note that the information on your admit card and government ID proof will be verified. All the hiring rounds of our process will end here. Students who fail to participate or are found to involve in any fraudulent or misrepresentation acts in any of the stage across the process will be disqualified from the recruitment process. Once Accenture completes all processes in your respective colleges, you will receive a letter of intent if selected. Check your emails and register on the tool to get started. Good luck!